Ever felt stuck for art ideas? Unleash the creative beast within. Art is a boundless, vibrant universe, waiting for explorers to discover its corners. So buckle up, because today we're diving into an ocean of art ideas that will inspire, challenge, and excite your artistic spirit. First on our list is nature's palette. Venture outside and let the natural world be your muse. The rustling leaves, the blooming flowers, the setting sun. Nature is an ever-changing canvas. Draw inspiration from its colors, textures, and patterns. Remember, art is not about replicating reality, but interpreting it. Next up, abstract emotions. Art is a language, a medium to express feelings and thoughts. Let your emotions guide your brushstrokes. Paint anger with jagged lines and bold colors. Illustrate happiness with bright, energetic splashes. Let sorrow flow in soft, muted hues. Each emotion has its own aesthetic. Find it and express it. Thirdly, myth and fantasy. Dive into the world of mythology and fantasy. Create art inspired by ancient legends, mythical creatures, or fantastical landscapes. Let your imagination roam free and bring to life the unseen and the impossible. Our fourth idea is cultural fusion. Every culture has its unique art style, symbols, and color schemes. Why not fuse two or more together? Combine Japanese anime style with Native American symbols, or mix Indian mandalas with African tribal patterns. The possibilities are endless, and the result always unique. Next, art from junk. Look around you. Waste materials are not just trash. They can be treasure troves for artists. Create sculptures from scrap metal, collages from old magazines, or installations from discarded plastic. Art from junk not only showcases creativity, but also promotes recycling and sustainability. Lastly, shadow and light. Play with shadows and light to create stunning visual effects. Sketch a scene under moonlight or paint a landscape at dawn. Shadows add depth and mystery, while light brings warmth and clarity. In a nutshell, art is all about exploration and experimentation. Today, we journeyed through 6 art ideas. We discovered how nature can be a source of inspiration, how abstract art can express emotions, how mythology and fantasy can fuel our imagination. We also explored cultural fusion, creating unique art pieces by combining different cultural art styles. Then, we saw how junk could be transformed into art, promoting sustainability. Lastly, we played with shadows and light to create visually stunning pieces. Remember, art is a journey, not a destination. Each idea is a stepping stone leading you to new paths, new discoveries. So grab your art supplies and let the adventure begin. Explore, experiment, express, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Because, in the end, it's not just about creating art, it's about experiencing the joy of creation.